Welcome back, everyone, and for those who are new, welcome. I'm Saba, and I've got another holiday recipe. While some people are making Christmas cookies, we're making Jingle Juice, y'all. But first, can we just appreciate my Christmas getup? And two, don't forget to subscribe, y'all. So let's jump right into today's recipe. The ingredients you need for today's recipe are cran apple juice, red Moscato, Prosecco, vodka, cranberries, mint leaves, sweetener, and limes. Guys, this recipe is super simple, so if you are bartender challenged like I am, this is gonna be right up your alley. So I already grabbed my pitcher. You can use a punch bowl or a dispenser. The first step in this process is to mix all the ingredients together. Now I'm gonna take a lime wedge, I'm gonna wet the rim of my glass and then dip the glass in sweetener. Here's what my glass looks like. I put some ice in it and now it's time to drink. Guys, we're done. Look at this. Oh my gosh, can you see the cranberries? Can you see the limes and the mint? Y'all, this is so perfect for your Christmas dinner. Red Moscato adds that nice sweetness. Vodka is setting everything off. The cranberries are popping. It's probably my new favorite cocktail. All right, guys, it's giveaway announcement time. The moment you've been waiting for. I am giving 2 lucky people a copy of the 2021 Arrivista planner and a 1-month subscription to Advanced Magazine.
The Arrivista Planner is an all-encompassing organizer that includes tips on fiscal responsibility, personal empowerment, spiritual well-being, and inspiration to help you be the best version of yourself. It comes in beautiful Ankara prints in a protective case. Advanced Magazine is an online-based magazine tailored to ambitious women ages 16 and up. It aims to inspire women of all ages and walks of life to advance in every aspect of life and brings fresh content regarding current events, body positivity, music, and entertainment.
And we're done, guys. So go to my website, savoringwithsaba.com, to get the full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions, and the giveaway deets are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Everyone stay safe, happy savoring, and Merry Christmas. Jingle juice, drink it all day long. Oh, what fun it is to drink and sip it all night long. Jingle juice, drink it all day long. Oh, what fun it is to drink and celebrate. Alright, guys, I had to do it. Okay, bye, guys. Merry Christmas.